The word whare means security.
Somewhere warm to come and to be with family.
A nurturing feeling.
It isn't about the house itself, it's about the relationships that we are creating in the house. Papa Kāinga is, for me, an extension of whare. It's about living communally, sharing resources.
We all share the cleaning duties, the cooking duties. We all share the shopping duties.
Affordable accommodation, sharing the financial burdens, and it's a natural, normal way that Māori have always lived.
Coming together makes things twice as easy.
No matter where you are in the world, you always have somewhere to come back to.
A nurturing place to return to.
Well, the initial idea came about because our parents got sick.
The whole thing was around the trauma they suffered through illness. That awoke us. We've got one house and 8 children, 26 mokopuna. How do we share that equally? And we've got this out of just sitting down and talking.
My parents had 8 children. Out of us 8 children, only 2 own their own homes. We just couldn't get that deposit to purchase. And so let's try and create something that we can all use to springboard into home ownership.
There's 4 families living in here and my grandparents. This whare not only brought our family closer, but it actually helped quite a lot of our families that were living in probably like a rough situation in their house when they couldn't afford rent.
One thing I like about the papa kāinga is that there's always someone to talk to.
Being with the whānau is just a great feeling.
The first priority after we created our whānau plan was our whānau trust. The second was our papa kāinga. The third priority was whanakeatanga, and that was about business.
The mussel fritter business, it actually started from an idea that my sister had. So they started the store at the Saturday markets here in Ngaruawahia. Started to think about developing the idea of selling the product out on the market overseas. The takings have helped to pay for items we need here in the papa kāinga.
Even those who don't live in the home have a vested interest.
I don't live here in this house because we own our own home. However, me and my children, we come down here every day.
I come down probably twice a week. Basically live here.
We had our own individual family savings that we used, and my parents own this property. Also looked at accessing funding from different streams. We're stronger as a whānau, contribute to the whare. This will always be our tūranga wāwai. Whanakeatanga, mussel fritter business, they all work cohesively together.
I think I'm healthier than I was 20 years ago. And we're really at peace. We know our grandchildren are going to be fine.
There's been like a weight lifted off their shoulders. I absolutely think it's had an effect on the wider community here in Ngaruawahia especially. When they saw that we could build a papa kāinga house this large, it gave them hope.
If Māori continued doing what we've been doing, whānau would be striving. You would have some innovative, creative thinkers, doers that would create a very vibrant society.
I'd rather live as a 65-year-old with my own siblings in this papa kāinga than be put into an old people's home.
This should be something that more Māori families should look at or think of doing.
in the future. This could be a retirement home for my aunties and my uncles and me when I grow up, and just for everyone just to be together.
Healthy whānau, healthy hapu, healthy marae, healthy iwi. All those things fall into place just from that whānau feeling nurtured.